This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the key. How deep is the scratch and where it sits? Once you know that, clean thoroughly with a degreaser and water so paint adheres. Use tape to outline the repair zone, then sand the damaged zone with 400 grit to feather edges. This prevents visible ridges later. Make sure to remove dust with compressed air or a tack cloth. You want a smooth, contaminant-free surface before moving to filler and primer. Next, you fill and prime to rebuild the surface. Apply a thin layer of body filler, press it into low spots, and let it cure. Repeat until level with surrounding paint. Once smooth, spray 2 light coats of primer, allowing a 10 to 15 minute flash between coats so it bonds properly. After primer cures, wet sand with 600 to 800 grit to block sand flat. Keep checking transitions and wipe residue away so your base is perfectly uniform for color. Finally, you lay down the color and protection. Spray the base coat in 2 to 3 thin passes, holding a consistent 6 to 8 inch distance to avoid runs. Once even, apply 2 to 3 clear coat layers and allow full cure as instructed. After curing, inspect for texture. If you see orange peel or dust nibs, wet sand carefully with 1,500 to 3,000 grit, then polish with rubbing compound to restore gloss. If edges show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.